Hello everyone, I'm Yuri and today I want to show you neat feature of iOS router, running configuration archiving. That is, you can configure router to save versions or running configuration of the router either locally in a specified place on Flash, for example, or remotely. This way you will have few saved versions of running configuration in case of disaster recovery or need of a rollback. You will have it handy and you'll be able to easily use it. So here I will configure archiving to the Flash the easiest way. First I'll create a folder where all the archived versions of the running configuration will go. For example, archive here, doesn't matter which one you choose. Now configuring the archiving itself. Archive. The bare minimum command you should set is the path where to save if you're doing this locally. You have many options actually. As you may see, FTP, HTTP, HTTPS to save configuration automatically to remote location. Here I'm doing this via Flash. I'll specify the folder I just created on the Flash, and I will add the base name to which numbers will be added to specify different versions of the running configurations save. Run config, for example. Now the path is set. This is a minimum. Now I can tweak when to actually run this feature, when to archive running configuration. I can do it on write memory. So each time I issue write memory on the router command line, copy of the running config will be saved to this location. Be aware that if you do some change in the configuration and after that do a write memory, of course, copy of, as in iOS every change takes action immediately, the copy you save and manually by write memory and here automatically by archiver will be the copy with the changes already made. Next I may specify how many backups, how many versions, how many saved configurations to keep. Maximum, it may be up to 14. Let's put it 10, for example. Time period. Here I can specify to cause iOS router to automatically every given time to save running configuration to this location. It will ask how many minutes to wait between archive creation. For example, every half an hour. If I want to, here I don't have such need. You can configure separately also a log of archiving action that will be sent to the syslog daemon of the router. I will not do it right now. What's great about this feature is that basically I'm all set and enabled this feature. I'll do exit. Now each time I'll do write memory, the copy of the running configuration will be saved to the Flash. Let me show you. what was the name of the folder where I set all copies to be archived. As you can see here, in this folder there is a file run config number, some number that contains basically show run of this router. I can also, of course, see it on the terminal. Display file, yes, for example, and I get the show run running configuration of the router at the time of archiving it. Also, without issuing write memory command, I can cause router to save the running configuration by archive config on the exec mode. Okay, here as you see, the second version, the second copy of the running configuration was saved. To see archive parameters and saved running configurations, you issue show archive. Here it will say what is the most recent saved configuration. Actually, you can even use saved configuration for rollback purposes. Replace, I guess it will be config replace, and I have to specify the command goes in exec mode config space replace space name of the configuration file, archived configuration file. I want to replace the current running configuration. Also, as you can see, remote options are available. I can replace running configuration from remote server, where I previously archived copy of running configuration, or from local copy. What was the path again? Do you want? Yes, I do. And that's it. Rollback is done and configuration is reverted to the previous version. That's all I wanted to say about this neat feature. Thank you. Have a nice day.